For our bird dogs, we're going to come down on all fours. So your shoulders and your wrists are stacked and your knees are right underneath your hips. And for the bird dog, it's going to be opposite hand and opposite leg are going to go out, and nice and slow and controlled, come back down. So that's out and back down. Nice and slow and controlled. And you don't want your body to twist with these. You want to keep it nice and flat using your core to keep your back stable. Those are our bird dogs.